on Mosaic Linux, we have a login timeout of 6 days. What happens is when you log in, you get something called a token. This is just a pass that lets you keep using the system. After 7 days, actually 7 times 24 hours, your login session will automatically expire. That doesn't actually mean you log out, that just means you lose access to your files. So for most people this won't be an issue, but for some people need to run very long compute jobs or some other type of job that runs a long time. If you're needing to stay logged in longer than 6 days, you'll need to pay attention to this. There are a couple of ways to deal with this. First off, under the menu, if you're in an interactive session, you can go to Mosaic, Utilities, and there's two things you can do. You can either renew your session, and this will ask you for your password. And this will extend your login for another 7 days. I like to tell people it's 6 days because if you log in at 6 a.m. on Monday, and then you try to log in, you try to renew your session at 6:01 a.m. the following Monday, your session has already expired. So just keep in mind that it expires after 6 days. So you can use the renew session, or you can use continuous renewal, which is also under Mosaic Utilities. What this does is when you run it, it says you now keeps your tokens in perpetuity until the machine is shut off or restarted. Now if you're on the command line, you can run the keep tokens script, which is what I just ran through the menu, and that will continue to keep your tokens renewed. The key thing to be aware of is just that, to remember this. Once you log in, you have 6 days until your access expires. After 6 days, or on the 7th day, you need to renew your access.